Here's a 2015 Lexus LS 460. From the powerful engine supplying breathtaking performance to a luxurious cabin filled with comfort and convenience features, this is a luxury sedan that offers an unmatched motoring experience. Features include integrated navigation system, front heated leather bucket seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, power sliding and tilting sunroof, V8 engine, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver finds the attention to finish and detail in the interior of the LS borders on the obsessive. Lexus, performance in every detail. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Enjoy luxury and a stress-free car shopping experience at Lexus of Wayzata. We're conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.